Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into one of the year's most dazzling events, the 2024 Venice Film Festival. Not just a homage to cinematic brilliance but also a showcase of unforgettable sartorial moments. Come along as we explore the most striking celebrity ensembles that turned heads and sparked trends on the illustrious red carpet. 2024 Venice Film Festival Celebrity Red Carpet Looks. Stella Maxwell. First, we have the ever-stunning supermodel Stella Maxwell. Renowned for her effortless grace, Stella captivated in a sleek, metallic gown that shimmered under the lights, accentuating every curve. With minimalist jewelry and her signature soft waves, she embodied contemporary sophistication. Giulia De Lellis. Italian-style icon Giulia De Lellis electrified the red carpet in a vibrant black gown. With striking accessories and a dramatic updo, she truly mastered the art of making a bold statement with flair. Sofia Resing. Sofia Resing opted for a classic silhouette with a modern twist. Draped in a stunning white dress adorned with intricate lace details, she amped up the drama with a daring pink lip and beautiful hairstyle. Patricia Contreras. Patricia Contreras enchanted onlookers in a voluminous ball gown that seemed straight out of a fairy tale. The deep sapphire hue and meticulous beadwork lent her a regal presence, making her a standout on the red carpet. Agatha Maksimova. Agatha Maksimova embraced a bold yet chic aesthetic. Her structured yellow gown, featuring strategic cutouts and a daring slit, showcased why she remains a favorite among fashion risk-takers. Sara Forestier. Sara Forestier went vintage chic with a romantic, black dress. Soft hairstyle and a delicate clutch added to her timeless charm. Charli Howard. Body positivity champion Charli Howard wowed in a form-fitting, red gown that beautifully highlighted her curves. Her look was a bold and empowering nod to self-confidence. Alessia Lanza. Alessia Lanza stunned in a fiery purple gown that was equal parts elegant and fierce. With dramatic sleeves and a plunging neckline, she exuded a captivating mix of sophistication and edge. Zhang Ziyi. Chinese cinema luminary Zhang Ziyi mesmerized in an ethereal light pink gown. The flowing fabric and delicate embroidery, complemented by her classic updo and diamond jewels, made for an unforgettable look. Nicole Kimpel and Antonio Banderas. Couple alert. Nicole Kimpel and Antonio Banderas dazzled in perfectly coordinated ensembles. Nicole's shimmering red gown paired flawlessly with Antonio's sharp tuxedo, solidifying their status as the ultimate power couple on the red carpet. Madisin Rian. Madisin Rian chose a modern, minimalist golden dress that emphasized her statuesque figure. Her understated yet striking style spoke volumes of refined glamour. Valentina Ferragni. Valentina Ferragni embraced a playful, youthful vibe with a bright, silver dress and whimsical accessories. Her fresh approach to fashion was unmistakably on display. Sveva Alviti. Sveva Alviti's choice was a sleek, light pink gown that radiated sophistication. The clean lines and impeccable tailoring set her apart with an aura of understated elegance. Nicky Passarella. Nicky Passarella made a daring statement in a deep purple dress that exuded drama and chic. With a thigh-high slit and statement jewelry, she commanded the red carpet. Denny Mendez. Denny Mendez evoked old Hollywood glamour with a glittering, white floral print dress that shimmered under the lights. Her bold natural lip and classic waves completed the dazzling look. Elisa Visari. Elisa Visari radiated summer vibes in a flowing, black gown that floated like a breeze. Her natural makeup and loose waves conveyed effortless chic. Georgia Mose. DJ and influencer Georgia Mose took a futuristic approach with a metallic black dress and striking eye makeup. Her bold style choice was all about confidence and innovation. Salas. Salas shone in a sheer, sparkling gown that left just enough to the imagination. Her elegant hairstyle and diamond earrings were the perfect finishing touches. Chiara Vinci. Chiara Vinci exuded sophistication in a crisp black suit. With a bold lip and a beautiful hairstyle, she seamlessly merged power dressing with a feminine touch. Melissa Barrera. Melissa Barrera made a captivating entrance in a vibrant black gown with cascading layers. Her confident stride and intricate detailing made her a standout of the night. Tess Bu Cuaron. Tess Bu Cuaron embraced a bohemian spirit with a black dress and natural hair. Her fresh, free-spirited look was a true reflection of her personality. Nima Benati. Nima Benati stunned in a bold, avant-garde ensemble featuring dramatic feathers and a daring neckline. Her fashion-forward approach made a lasting impression. Martina Strazzer. Martina Strazzer delivered an elegant and refined look with a beautifully structured gown. Her glowing makeup and sophisticated style cemented her status as a red carpet favorite. And there you have it. The 2024 Venice Film Festival was a feast of fashion, with stars delivering one unforgettable look after another. Which outfit was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fabulous fashion content. Until next time, stay stylish.